Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to adjust screen brightness on this laptop. The first way to do that is by clicking the three icons on your status bar and then moving the top bar, the top slider either to the left to decrease your screen brightness or to the right to increase it. Now, the other way to do this is by using F5 and F6 buttons, either to decrease your screen brightness or to increase it. Now, if these two buttons don't do anything for you, first you'll have to press the Fn and Escape combination of keys and make sure that you see this icon on your screen. Then you'll be able to use F5 and F6 for brightness adjusting. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.